Hello everyone. In open pit mines, rockfalls are among the most serious safety hazards. They put the lives of mine workers at risk and cause equipment damage, operational delays, and heavy financial losses. Therefore, we came across a problem statement: AI-based rockfall prediction and alert systems for open pit mines. In India, mining accidents remain a major concern. Between 2015 and 2017 alone, 377 mine workers lost their lives. Over half of them in coal mines. From 2020 to 24, another 226 deaths were recorded in coal mines. These numbers highlight that rockfall and slope collapses in open pit mines are not rare accidents, but recurring and deadly events. To address this, we have designed a rockfall prediction and alert system tailored for open pit mines. Our system integrates geotechnical sensors, weather data, and AI-based models to predict the probability of rockfall before they occur. Our working flow of the system is data collection. A sensor and drones track slope angles, displacement, rainfall, and temperature in real time. Prediction model. An AI ML algorithm processes this data and computes a risk score. Dashboard and alerts. The results are displayed in an interactive dashboard highlighting high-risk zones and sending real-time alerts to safety teams and operators. So prevention action can be taken immediately. In summary, with hundreds of lives lost in India, mines over the past decade, our solution aims to open pit mines safer, smarter, and more sustainable. By predicting rockfalls before they happen, we can save lives, protect infrastructure, and reduce economic losses. So, safety is not an option, it is a foundation of progress. Thank you.